We're going to tap into the fourth fragrance, and this one is going to be Oceanic Symphony. Now we're starting to get into some more of the masculine fragrances because the next one I think we have is Woods of God. I'm eager to tap into that one too. So we're gonna see for sure. Oh man, hey, I should have known. I thought you already knew that he was in the chat. My fault, fam. My fault. That's on me. It is his logo. You ain't lying. Montrace. What up, bro? How you living, man? Montrace in the building. What up with you, man? Hope everything is good with you, my guy. Hey, hold on, man. Hold on. Let's acknowledge this right now. Matthew, you're right. It leans femme, but I still love it. And that's what I'm saying. It's one of those fragrances that leans more feminine, but I can see guys rocking and enjoying that one. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I could possibly get some sprays out of this myself on the cool. And he's saying, what's up? My scent of the day is actually Sphinx Mango-licious right now. This scent is a beast off skin. And I'm telling you, fam, they got good quality. That's one thing you got. I will give Sphinx. They got great quality in their fragrances. Right now, I've smelled 3 of them. About to tap into the 4th one. No harshness, no synthetic feel, no synthetic vibes. This is an extremely clean fragrance right now. I'm rocking with this one, especially for the ladies. But this will still be one that some of my fellas can check out. I like this one a lot. Yeah, bro. This is the best one that I've tried so far from the set. Now we're going to tap into Oceanic Symphony. Right there. We're going to tap into Oceanic Symphony, and we're going to see how this one's coming off. Now, again, I'm thinking that these are going to start making their transition to more masculine style fragrances. So let's see how this one's coming off. Let me see what we got. Hold on. Let me show y'all the atomizer. That way, if you're just not tapping in. Bruh, beautiful atomizers, fam. Oh, okay. So this one's salty. This one's salty, musk, fresh. Salty, musk, and fresh. This one, yeah. And the thing is that the freshness is coming from both sides. So you are getting like the mandarin, the orange type of citrus freshness up top, but you also get the bergamot and the lemon. So it's a great combination of both of them that you do get in the opening, but that's not going to be the most dominant factor in there. That's just something that you can pick up. The way it's gelling together is really coming off like a fresh, like a fresh musk style fragrance. It's coming off in that vein, but it does have a very nice like saltiness about it. And again, this is Oceanic Symphony, so I would expect it to have some type of aquatic vibe, some type of aquatic nature going along with it. And that sea salt, whatever that is that's giving that salty vibes, and how it's mixing together with the freshness up top, this is a hit. This is a nice one. Now, this is going to be Oceanic Symphony is going to be one of those that's going to be in that mass appealing type of vein. Like I can see a lot of people rocking this one. I can see this one being much more masculine, but at the same time, some ladies can get away with this also. But it does lean more masculine than feminine in my eyes. And this one right now, even as it's sitting here, hold on. I can't tell if it's because of the way that all the citruses that are working together and the musk, but for some reason I'm getting a slight soapy appeal with this one also. Not complaining, but this is having somewhat like a soapy type of vibe with it as it's starting to transition. But it's still maintaining a lot of those citruses up top. It's still maintaining a good amount of musk up top as well. This is a nice one. This is a nice one, bro. This is a nice one. Hold on. Let me try this one with the hibiscus, because these right now are going to be my top 2. Oceanic is going to be my number 1 fragrance right now for the men. Shout out to the fellas. This is going to be one that you can rock out with right now out of the 4. Hibiscus is still going to be the top feminine leaning fragrance. So not a bad little 1-2 combo right now. This one's coming off nice. I do like this. This one right now is my favorite one out of the masculine fragrances that I've tapped into from them, but I've only tried 2 so far. So hopefully it gets a little bit better, but this is a nice fragrance that I can see a lot of people rocking out and enjoying. Mass appealing type of DNA, easy to wear. Good. This one's going to be good spring, summer, fall, maybe not the winter time, because I can just see this one pushing off much more so in like plus 70 degree type of weather. So that's how this one's coming off to me. But this is a beautiful fragrance, bro. This one's nice. And again, another clean one that doesn't have no harshness, no synthetic vibes to it. A very clean fragrance that you can just throw on and go. It's not really reminding me of anything. It's not really giving me any vibes of anything right now that I can think of. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, let me check something, because it's giving me slight vibes of one type of DNA. But I wouldn't say that this is a clone in any stretch of the imagination. Not a clone. But if you like Bulgari Tiger, this is going to be somewhat in that same ballpark of a fragrance. This is giving off those, I'm not going to say Tarati Blue, because Tarati Blue has like that Middle Eastern or that Oriental take on it with the spice. But it is giving like Bronzonite vibes from Maison Alhambra. It is giving that. It just doesn't have as much of an in-your-face, juicy grapefruit that you do get in like a Bulgari Tiger or a Bronzonite. It doesn't have that juicy grapefruit, but it still has a great dosage of citruses that just works really. Like it works and it gels together very nicely to where I can see people thinking that you would have like a Bulgari Tiger type of inspiration of a fragrance on. So this was nice. I'm rocking with this. Yeah. Mass appealing type of DNA, Bulgari Tiger vibes in that same ballpark. Yeah. Oceanic Symphony is nice. Right now, if I was to buy a bottle out of the ones that I've tried, masculine, I'm buying a bottle of Oceanic Symphony. And again, it's really giving me that Bulgari Tiger vibes. Even though I'm not even picking up, like, I'm not getting like a high sense of woods, because you do have a good woody transition when you have Bulgari Tiger. This one, I don't get that strong sense of woods, but it's still in that same profile, especially with the citruses in the opening. Again, it's going to be that mandarin, grapefruit, mandarin, bergamot, lemon, orange type of vibes. That's a nice one. I'm liking this. If you like Bulgari Tiger, you can rock out with Oceanic Symphony, and that'll be one that you can enjoy. I would still decan it first.